Before installing the handle, remove the trim panel on the B-pillar. Place the L-shaped bracket and handle in the desired position, avoiding the locations of the trim panel clips, and mark where to drill. Choose a drill bit that matches the outer diameter of the pull nut and drill at the marked spots. After drilling, insert the pull nut. Use a pull nut tool to secure the nut onto the B-pillar metal panel. Fix the L-shaped bracket to the inside of the B-pillar using short screws and spring washers, locking it with the nut. Repeat the process for the other two pull nuts on the opposite side of the L bracket, ensuring the direction of the nuts aligns with the handle installation. Reinstall the trim panel. Confirming the nut position through the side gap. After drilling through the trim panel, use a cutting tool to enlarge the hole to fit the shape of the handle's protrusion. Insert the handle into the trim panel, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it with long screws and spring washers to the L bracket. Finally, check the stability of the handle. Once confirmed, cover the screws with the handle cover plate to complete the installation.